What's the meaning of ageism? Ageism. 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 Ageism refers to discrimination or prejudice against individuals based on their age, often directed towards older people. This can manifest in various ways, such as assumptions about declining mental or physical abilities, unequal treatment in the workplace, or limitations on access to healthcare and other resources. Ageism can lead to isolation, stereotyping, and reduced opportunities for older people, ultimately resulting in negative impacts on physical and mental health. It is important to recognize and combat ageism to promote inclusivity and respect for all individuals regardless of age.